I'm very excited. Today I logged into my YouTube account, Joe Loves Linux, my English Linux channel, and I saw there are 1000 subscribers. This makes me so happy. As I said, I'm so excited because I never thought that this could happen. I started Joe Loves Linux a few years ago, and at the beginning it was very hard. I had almost no views and there are not many subscribers, and I did one video after the other, and I have to admit they are not really that good. Too long breaks between my sentences, and it was not good. And my German Linux channel did very well, and so I decided to stop the English channel and put all my effort into the German channel. And it was in February 2022 I logged in to Joe Loves Linux again, and I was quite surprised. There are more views than expected. I had some subscribers. There are even comments I never reacted to because I didn't know. And it was the same time when I decided that I would like to experiment a little bit with camera. I never did videos in front of the camera. I have 250 videos on my German channel, but almost all the videos are without camera. And at the time, early 2022, I said, okay, let's try this. Why not? And then I thought, okay, maybe this is the right time to reactivate Joe Loves Linux. And this is it. This is my channel. Here are the uploads. Maybe you are interested in one of them. For example, some of the command line videos here, ls, cd, touch, and what else do we have? The time shift video maybe is interesting for you. And I want to thank each and every person who made this possible. You did that by watching my video. You did that by give me a thumb. You did that by leave a nice comment. And you did that when you subscribed. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you will not miss new content. The second thing is that almost at the same day that I reached 1000 subscribers on YouTube, I officially released my book Ubuntu 2204 Quick Guide for Beginners. And I'm also excited because I'm very happy that I could release this book here, and you can get it on Amazon if you like. So thank you very much. Bye bye and have a nice day.